Work continues tonight in the Gulf of Mexico to contain what could be America's worst ever oil spill. Now 2 Iron Rangers say they have a way to mop up that oil and reduce the environmental damage. Matt Standel has our story.
Hundreds of ships are struggling to clean up the enormous spill from the Deepwater Horizon rig. Using primitive booms, they're only skimming the surface. Scientists say the real problem lies beneath, where thousands of gallons of oil are leaking from the seabed each day. Iron Rangers Bill Whiteside and Gene Ferwitta say the solution could come from deep within Minnesota's peat bogs.
Carex reed sedge peat.
Once again, that's reed sedge peat.
It's just an organic product, but it's a special organic product with special properties.
A highly absorbent material capable of soaking up gigantic oil spills without absorbing water.
We can produce enough product to suck up all the oil that came out of the Exxon Valdez oil spill. That's 11 million barrels of oil.
Ferwitta discovered these extraordinary properties while experimenting with peat moss as fertilizer in 1980.
Well, this is my plant where I process my material. I bring it out of the bog back there, and it goes into that hammer mill, and it's ground up. Then it comes out of the yellow conveyor there.
And after spending time in the peat bog refining his process, the master of moss knew he needed a way to get the product to the people. And that's where Bill Whiteside comes in. Whiteside operates a rental company in Hibbing. However, in 1989, he worked on the team that cleaned up the Exxon Valdez oil spill.
All the living things under the beach would be killed, and the vegetation would all be killed. So you don't forget something like that.
Both men knew their product would have to be safe for animals. They say it's organic and tested by the EPA.
Animals can crawl on it, birds can sit on it, they don't get oily. It's just a dream come true for oil spill cleanup.
The men are trying to get the attention of oil giant BP, but so far there's been no response. In Cotton, Matt Standel, the Northlands News Center.
Once their product is used, Whiteside and Ferwitta say their product breaks down to an organic fertilizer.